Ciao, this is Chiara from Perfiloesegno. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful child poncho. It's a very warm and soft poncho. For this project I use Confetto by Lane Mondial. You can find more information in the info box below, and K or 6.5 millimeters hook. To get started with this poncho, you will need to create one rectangle about 100 centimeters long. So now let's start with chain 30. Now work in the second chain from hook, and we are going to do a double crochet in here. So just continue to double crochet into each chain. For the second row, chain 2 and turn. As you can see, this yarn, it can be a little bit difficult to see the stitch, so we work one double crochet into the space between the double crochet of the previous row. So very easy and fast. So continue to double crochet into each space. So round 2 is now complete. Now you are just going to keep repeating row until your project measures about 100 centimeters long. Okay, now my rectangle is complete, so cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Now we are going to create a poncho. So now fold this corner like this and fold the other scarf corner by placing the short side on the long side like this. Okay, now put some clips and we are ready to sew it. Turn your work and we are ready to start with the neck edge. Okay, now insert the new color make a slip knot and insert your hook in the space and insert the new color in this way. Now chain 2 and 1/2 double crochet in each space all the way around. Remember to work 2 half double crochet together in the V-neck, like this, and 1/2 double crochet all the way around. And slip stitch into the first half double crochet to complete this round. Now we are going to make 3 rounds of popcorn stitch. So 1/2 double crochet in the first space and 1 popcorn stitch in the next. So make 1/2 double crochet, and now I'm going to show you how to make the popcorn stitch but with another yarn, so you can see better if you do not know this stitch. To make a popcorn stitch, we work 5 double crochet in the same stitch, or how many do you want? Okay, 5 double crochet are done, and now remove your hook and insert your hook into the first double crochet here. Insert your hook and take the last loop and pull through the stitch like this, and to finish it we're going to do chain 1. Okay, let's repeat again together. So 5 double crochet into the same stitch, or how many do you want? Remove your hook, insert the hook into the first double crochet and pull through. And chain 1 to finish it. Now let's go back to our project. For my poncho I work 4 double crochet because they are enough. So go ahead and repeat this sequence: 1/2 double crochet and 1 popcorn stitch all the way around. and 1 slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Okay, in the second round of a popcorn stitch we do the opposite. So we start with popcorn stitch and the half double crochet in the next. And now for the last popcorn stitches, we repeat the first popcorn stitch round. Okay, we are ready to cut the yarn. And now we are ready, we are going to complete the edge below. Okay, now for the edge below, I made a lot of pompon. I put my markers to take the right distance. And I'm ready to make a lot of pompon like this. To make them, I use the clover pompon maker, the smallest size, very easy to do. And I will make 11 light blue pompon and 11 in orange. Now I show you how to use the pompon maker, very easy. Okay, now I'm going to put my pompon in each marker and I make a simple knot to sew them. And now your project is done and ready to wear. It's very warm, soft, and a little bit fluffy poncho, so I love it. I think it's perfect for a child. So I would love to see your baby poncho and the different colors that you choose for yours. So remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Grazie, ciao e tanto love.